Good afternoon, WestCon. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime with a forecast update for December 1st, 2016. Although it doesn't feel anything like the 1st of December with temperatures in the mid-50s out there under currently actually mostly cloudy skies. We're going to see filtered sunshine throughout the rest of the day as clouds build in from the west due to the storm system pulling away to our north that brought us around 2 inches of rain over the past few days, which is good news to help out our drought. And yes, I put this in my forecast. Important on this date, we have hurricane season that ended yesterday, the 30th of November. And as forecasted, we had an above average hurricane season as a La Nina pattern developed later on in the season. Also, meteorological winter begins today as well, and that goes right through February. December, January, February are usually the coldest and snowiest months for our area, and that's why we call it meteorological winter. And I had to put this in there for all your Christmas movie lovers out there. Freeform, which is the new ABC's 25 Days of Christmas, has officially begun. I don't know what students here are more happy about, finals ending soon or this starting, because I know a lot of hypes about the 25 Days of Christmas, and I can't wait personally to watch all those great movies coming up currently. But my weather headlines on a more serious note, we have a seasonal and sunny weekend ahead, a great looking weekend to be honest, but an active pattern does follow, and winter precipitation. Is that in my forecast? Stay tuned and find out. All right, local satellite view, we have some clouds streaming down from the north and west. That's to do again the storm system that's way toward north that brought us that rain the other day. And the national satellite does show the storm well to the north, but high pressure, the good news is building in from the west. It's going to be making its way close to our area over the coming days, giving us a delightful several days ahead as well. But what may not be so delightful is a few snow showers potentially could make their way in here by Sunday night and Monday morning. This model map does not actually show it coming in. It kind of hits a wall of dry air and gets pushed to our south, but some models to bring some snow showers in by Sunday night and Monday, maybe a quick coating in spots. But we do it all again, and a few days later, I mentioned this active pattern, right? Well, 2 days later, by Tuesday evening, a bigger storm to the south and west with the southeast wind, which is going to bring a milder flow in. So I think we may start off as a little snow, as indicated by the blue on this model map, but go over to our rainy period by Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday. And then by Thursday evening, look what happens. Another storm comes. I'm going to sound like a broken record, right? But this one forms to our north, bringing a northwest wind, which is a cold wind. And this actually could indicate a period of snow by Thursday morning. And this could be our first potential real snow event here. But it's only one of the miles. We're going to update this forecast many times next week and see what we can do with the snow threat later next week. All right, well, tonight's forecast, we have low of 33 degrees under partly cloudy skies with the west wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then Friday, a great looking day with temperatures a little bit mild for this time of year in the upper 40s, but it's going to be cooler than we have seen because we saw temperatures near 60 the last couple of days. So definitely a little bit more seasonal for this time of year. Also, a west-northwest wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And that 5-day forecast, I put the Christmas tree alert for the weekend because with temperatures in the mid-40s, it's perfectly a great time to grab those Christmas trees. The ground isn't frozen yet, so it may be a little muddy out there, but besides that, no weather trouble at all. And then I got to mention, maybe a few snow showers Sunday night, Monday morning, and a bigger storm potentially for Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday, which could start at least off as a little bit of a mix. But again, the WestCon weather team will have your back next week and update this forecast with the latest and greatest weather guidance that comes out. All right, check back tonight for Antonio Negron at 7:30 for your latest forecast update. And for the WestCon weather team, I'm student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great rest of the day.